Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing power to the system. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 1 minute to clear capacitors and airbag modules. Next, pry up the shifter trim using a plastic trim tool, working rearward to release the clips. This exposes torque screws you'll remove. Then lift the armrest and undo the hinge bolts so you can access the console base fasteners. Doing these steps first prevents wiring damage and gives you room to reach the deeper screws safely. Once the top trim and armrest are off, take out the visible Torx and 10 bolts securing the console shell. Keep fasteners organized by location. Then carefully tilt the console sides and unplug electrical connectors for cup warmers, USB ports, and the electronic parking brake. Press the locking tabs so you don't break clips. After unplugging, slide the console rearward a few centimeters to disengage guide tabs and rear hooks. Do this gently because some clips are plastic and can crack if forced. Now lift the console straight up while an assistant watches underneath to free any remaining wiring or clips. If it resists, recheck for missed screws rather than forcing it. Once out, label every connector and fastener to speed reassembly and prevent mismatches, and inspect the console's underside for broken tabs. If a retention clip breaks during removal, replace it with the OEM part or temporarily secure with a zip tie or a nylon rivet so the console sits correctly and won't rattle. This prevents electrical strain and alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.